Crypto motherfucking update. What's the date? It's what the fuck? It's December 11, 2024. As you guys know, I'm gonna try to be doing these ones, kind of like every single week or like at least twice a week. Yeah, that's the point. We're already posting one, and I'm pretty sure here. Let's go back to being a little bit tinier. These are not gonna have any crazy edits. I don't think there's any point. And all I'm gonna be talking about in these crypto updates is basically just showing you my plan, telling you my plan about crypto. Anybody can really follow it. I don't really give a fuck if you do or don't, because I'm going to make money regardless. But yeah, basically it's like kind of like a vlog on how I'm gambling my money once again in 2024 and this bull run. Amazing. So yeah, so last week a little bit of a recap for Bitcoin. What we did talk about was I think we might have been here. Oh no. Basically last time that we talked was I wanted to see Bitcoin have a reset on the breaks, because on the 4 hour, because we were way too overextended. Lo and behold, we did. So right here, it was around here when we last talked. I did say I wanted to see a break of this low, right? So a reset of all these of the 7 breaks, because we had 7 breaks to the upside right here. You can see it says bullish 7, and then I said that I would look for entries in this S&D right here. I'm just too good at this shit. After testing in so many years in crypto, how the fuck would you not make money? So yeah, this was the entry. I ended up making around, it was 4 hour on $5,000, so $20,000 American. And currently right now, then of course you guys also saw we ended up running all-time high. I was targeting the prior all-time high, so that's where I closed. And now, looking for another entry. This week, I ended up getting in this triple M candle right here. And here right now, I can show you the entry. I'm currently in Bybit. For Bitcoin, I'm up 570% or 13,522. I've already realized $1,000 in this trade. Not bad. For the week, I think we're up 40,000%. No, 40,000. Holy fuck. No. I don't know. $40,000 out of 140 grand. So is that 10%? That's not 10%. That's like 35, 40%. Some shit like that. It doesn't matter. I think it's like 30 something percent. But yeah, and then I will show you like the Ethereum one. I'm gonna show you guys the Ethereum one right after. But yeah, so right now everything's playing out pretty much good. Break even on this trade. Also in Ethereum, break even, took some profit. Not really that much on Ethereum, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fucked up. I should have risked 3 times the amount, and that's why I'm only up 5 grand in that, and I'm up 14,000 on fucking Bitcoin, because I just risked. I got fucked up, bro. Not gonna lie, I'm human at the end of the day. I should have risked a lot more, but yeah. So that's what we got going on. We're targeting the past highs. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I'm probably gonna be holding this one a lot higher. I will take around 33% out at this point of the past all-time high and see how we go. Because my plan is this. This is my whole plan. Okay. So I'm looking to gain as much capital on my futures account, not for my spot. That's fine. My Solana is, I think right now, let me take a look. I think my Solana is under 1 million right now, actually. Yeah, hold up. Now this app wants to update, bro. Okay, portfolio. Never mind. So, okay, with INJ, the portfolio is at it's at $1,189,000. I'll pull up a screenshot somewhere here. But just for futures, this is my plan. Currently, my account is sitting at 195,000. Like I said 2 weeks ago, it was at 140. I want to get this account as high as possible before we get a big wipe. So these 2 wipes that we've had right here, this bottom, like this drops, these 2 drops have been nothing. I am talking about generational fucking wipes, like some crazy wipes like this one, right? Those are the wipes that I'm looking for to then add more leverage capital. Of course, subscribe if you want to get updated on when I add more leverage, when I take profit, and everything in between. Here, let's get back in. Yeah. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. Right now, I have really nothing to do besides sit back and relax. But the only reason I don't want to hold all the way to like 150, 140, 130, and I kind of want to TP in the 105, like past all time high, right here, or 105 in like 10 in like 110 range. It's just because I want to juice it out, be really aggressive with my take profit. So I have as much capital. I'm also gonna take some profit off of my spot, so I have as much capital to trade when we get that dump. And in that dump, I'm gonna deploy crazy. I want to be risking around 15 to 20,000 per trade. To then that should be enough for me to, and a 50x, that should be enough to turn that account into generational fucking wealth. So yeah, I want to come out with at least $1 million worth of profit in the next 6 months, and that's how I'm gonna do it. Here you can see how much the account is at. This is Canadian, no, American. So if we were to look at it Canadian, it'd be different. I don't really know what the fuck that would be. I think Canadian is 190,000. You can do the math. So that's what I'm referring to. I want to come out with 100 in no. I want to come out with a 10x basically of my money by the end of the year. No, by the summer of 2025. So yeah, for the targets that I'm going to be looking for right now, just to tell you guys what I'm expecting for Bitcoin, it's just up. That's all I'm expecting. Everything is bullish, so I'm just looking for a new all-time high. It's most likely going to happen. The odds are on our side for the next week. Like I said, it's December 11, 2024. So yeah. And then for the long term, I mean, honestly, the sky is the limit. Nothing is overextended. The daily is okay. But if we do end up breaking down, right? So the daily, if the daily and the 4 hour do get the wipe that I'm talking about, I will be adding more size in this 3-day S&D right here. For prices, I can zoom in for you guys. It'd be in between 69,967, and really keep an eye and please take notes, because I already showed you guys the 4-hour zones that I took these 2 Bitcoin trades and the Ethereum trades and the Solana trades and everything in between. I tell you the prices so you can go and do whatever the fuck game plan you want to do, and I have been right all year, literally all year. So the S&D, the price that I'm gonna be adding more is 69,841. I know it sounds crazy. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. And 66,782. That's if we start breaking down and becoming bearish in the 4 hour and the daily. So this would be the plan right here. Or that's plan A. Plan B would be if right here we end up having a pullback candle for all these rules. Yes, I do have mentorship where I teach you everything from A to Z and everything else on how I've made all my money with crypto and Forex. But for the sake of example, I'm just looking for a pullback candle. So that would make it, so we have another protected low, right? And that would basically just, like, this would be just such a good area for price to just accumulate and then go higher. So we would get another break, right, of these highs. That would basically be a pullback, then a break. Then we would have an S&D where I would start also bidding. But I honestly see this more likely, right? So basically having another break and then another S&D to bid from in the 3-day. And of course, accumulating the daily and the 4 hour. But if we do end up being bearish, like I was telling you guys of why I want to accumulate, this would be the plan. Yeah, I'm gonna delete just this one because I don't want to have all these scribbles. Fuck all these scribbles. And then we can step down to Ethereum if you guys want. I mean, like, it's pretty much the same shit. It's bullish on everything. It shouldn't really come back down to anything. Let me check my phone. Oh my god, that's not the type of text I'm fucking looking for. But I'll take it. I don't care. Ooh, the light. God damn it. Okay. So, Ethereum, the 3D and reaccumulation, super bullish. Target, we're going to all-time highs, 100,000%. We are going to get there. Not sure when, but this is looking really good. Daily, super, super bullish. 5 weeks, five breaks to the upside. Nothing to change here. We're going to go and target the all-time highs, like I keep saying. It's a lot different than Bitcoin. This is not overextended at all. And lo and behold, like I told you guys, the whole plan was... Actually, yes, it was, sorry. It was overextended. And in the last video, we went over this after taking this loss. And then taking this win. I don't know why it's no longer here, but this was our second entry right here on ETH about 2 weeks ago, or on the last YouTube video that I made about this. This was it. And after that, we were overextended after the 7 break. Same thing with Bitcoin. So what I mean by that, because we were overextended, we needed a reset. So I told you guys that I wanted for there to be a breakdown, and that I was going to bid this lower 4-hour zone, 4-hour S&D. Lo and behold, that's what we got. Enter the triple M candle, and we are up. You guys can see pretty much that should be the entry. Yeah, we're up that much, 234%, or $5,000. Not the best, not the worst. Actually, you know what I've noticed? Bybit doesn't really show your name anymore on here. And yeah, for anybody that wants to say this is a fucking... Oh, fuck. I think we're gonna... Oh, yeah, there you go. 192,000 Canadian. But yeah, anybody that wants to say there's a whatever account, VIP on Bybit, you cannot fake VIP on Bybit. You have to have over $100,000 on your trading account for that. But yeah, that should be pretty much it for Ethereum. Looking really for nothing. I'm not TPing anything at all up until really anywhere. Like, I'm just gonna hold it here. I like the way Ethereum is looking, but as you all know, sometimes Ethereum gets fucked up when Bitcoin gets fucked up. But everything should be good for the next week. And like I did say though, if we do end up breaking down with Bitcoin, the only other thing that I could see is this S&D below here. I really don't think this will happen. In between 2530 or 2364. That should be it. But for now, bullish. Not adding any more size though. I'm not buying at all. This is it. We got our entries. If price for some reason ends up reversing, I would honestly see that pretty bearish, and I would wait for more confirmation. For now, we're good to go. Not adding anymore. Everything is at break even. Just looking to the upside and relaxing. But that should be pretty much it. If we're looking for anything else, I did tell you guys on XRP, I wanted this break to the downside, and then we ended up entering this. Now, for more entries, we did get this fractal break here, and we got this S&D left behind right here. So this here, right here in between $2.14, and 15 cents, let's say, and $1.90. If anybody wants to bid and buy in this zone, this is prime right here for your new all-time high. But it's most likely gonna keep running because Bitcoin is just running too, so it'll probably just push it up. Besides that, some good news. I ended up getting this airdrop for Magic Eden. I got almost 10 grand. I blew it all though, because fuck Magic Eden. Okay, I love you guys, but you did piss me off that day. I should have gotten $20,000 if I sold at the top, but I couldn't claim it because the wallet, the app was just glitching, so whatever. So fuck you guys for that. So I had to just sell it, and I blew it all. I spent it all. I went to buy clothes. I bought shit for my bands, for my Beamer. But yeah, on other updates, I mean, Solana is pretty bearish on anything below the 4-hour. The 3-day is looking good though. It's not overextended either. There's one of the profits from the other day. Daily, Now the daily is pretty overextended. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not trading Solana right now. There's nothing. I took this loss after this win. Actually, I think I took 2 losses. Yeah, 2 losses after this win, which is whatever. You know, you take some losses, you take some wins. That's just the way it goes. But for now, I'm not touching it. There's really nothing. There was this fractal break back here, but I really don't see us. Like, I have no interest in trading Solana. To be honest, yeah. I'm not even going to touch it. I'm not even going to chart it. There's just nothing in it that I'm interested in. But it's kind of crazy. I think Bitcoin dominance is probably going down because Ethereum is just really taking over the show right now. Oh, yeah, it is. Wow, it's getting all the juice. But yeah, for now, my only interest in, at least for this strategy, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not going to be touching anything else. A lot of these coins are really overextended. For other things, I would highly recommend, I think NFTs are back. Okay? I think it's the time that the blue chips and a lot of the things in the last 2 weeks, I did tweet about it 2 weeks ago. It was like the 20th of November. I said NFTs are back, and I did buy some NFTs. Like this one, I bought it for I think $8,000 American, and now it's almost 14,000. But I'm gonna let you guys know, if you have a lot of money and you think that you have experience in NFTs, I really do believe this is the time to get back in them. I don't think that if you don't have a lot of money, I think you should just stick to trading, because you can actually juice it out the most, the way I just showed you and the way I'm doing it, with smaller amounts of money, just with futures, like right here. I think that's your best bet if you really want to accumulate as much capital. But yeah, NFTs are back. I'm going to make a lot of money with NFTs. There's a lot of airdrops coming in, like getting like just tokens getting sent to these NFTs too, specifically to this Mad Lads one. It's the only one I hold on Solana. But yeah, the market is looking really good. I don't really see any downside or anything whatsoever. So congrats if you held through these or followed everything I said in the other videos. And if you didn't, then don't worry. Like I keep saying, there's always opportunities. Don't chase 2 fucking rabbits at the same time, or you'll most likely end up with none. And that's why I keep telling you guys, just do one thing. If you want to do NFTs, do NFTs. You want to do meme coins, do meme coins. If you want to do leverage trading, do leverage trading. If you want to do just spot trading, just investing in these fucking things and buying lows, which is honestly not really profitable, if you don't have a lot of money, then do that. But just do one thing at a time, and you'll end up winning it, most likely. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. Let me know if you guys want me to make updates like more often or whatever. And I'm trying to fucking make the background look better. I don't really care for it. It's not about to leave for like 2 weeks. But let me know in the comments. Hit that fucking subscribe. Put the post notifications on so that you can notify every single time that I post a video, because you know these are really fucking time sensitive. So yeah, we made money, and we're gonna keep on doing this until it doesn't work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit all the links in the description if you want mentorship and all that bullshit. You don't really need it because I give you pretty much the sauce for free right here. But if you want the more in-depth like way on how I do everything and the concepts taught to you by me one-on-one, hit the links in the description. Let's get to fucking work. Good luck, happy call, and holy fuck, happy holidays. I love you guys. Peace out.